This tutorial is for those days when you've overeaten a little bit. It happens, especially during the holidays. Wait at least an hour after you've eaten and then start with a teepee twist. Keep your legs active and use your left arm to help you twist further. Keep your right arm rooted into the ground and look to the right. Hold for 5 breaths. Repeat on the left side and hold for another 5 breaths. Keep your chest open and your shoulders level. Then, sit up straight in Dandasana, flexing your feet and keeping your spine straight. Transition to lying on your belly for some light back bending. Lift your shoulders and using your back muscles, keep yourself lifted with your palms elevated about 5 inches off the ground, keeping your elbows directly above the wrists. Breathe 5 times here. Go down and rest for a moment with your head to one side. Now come into Cobra Pose and really stretch out that belly with your chest wide. This will help to create space in that overstuffed belly of yours in order to help the digestive process. Again, hold for 5 breaths. Put your head down to the other side. Now come to stand on your knees for some deeper back bends. Start off with camel preparation by putting your hands on your sacrum and bending backwards. Keep your gaze forward and breathe 5 times. If you can get into it, try out camel pose with your hands on your feet. Remember to push your hips forward. But if you can't get into that, then wait and try this next variation. It will be easier for you. In this variation, flex your feet and grab your heels. Breathe 5 times. Now, lie down and attempt half wheel. Lift your pelvis and join your hands, tucking your shoulders underneath. Keep your chin moving away from your chest. If you can get into it, try a full wheel pose. This will really create space in the abdomen and help relieve your discomfort. Breathe in and out 5 times. You could also repeat this 2 more times if you desire. To counter the pose, hug your knees into your chest until your back is released. Then, lie in Shavasana for as long as you wish. Remember, chew your food as many times as you can, no matter what or how much you eat. Toodaloo!